Alright, there is another look at that yellow truck.
Yeah, I'm trying to get them to sell it to me, even though it's got tobacco interior. But I've been doing some research, and you can buy complete interior kit for $1,400, minus the seats. So take all that interior out of there and put new interior in. I got some buckets that go in it.
Oh, those seats that are in the garage already?
That's what I got them for, is put in the black truck.
Yeah.
So I'll put them in the yellow truck.
There you go. So you're saying that you can completely take out all that interior?
I take all that interior and put in all fresh new interior, new carpet. You know, get it down to the metal and clean everything, clean the heating and cooling system, and yeah. If they're willing to sell it to me at a reasonable price.
What's the reasonable price for the yellow one?
20 and anything under. 20 is about as high as I would really want to go. So.
And what year is it? The yellow truck?
I don't know. It's newer than my other one because it's got the different glass. Remember?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you remember how you told me that. Okay. Well, I'd hate to see you spend 20 on it if you have to take out all the interior and everything.
Well, I would prefer to get it for around
like 15.
Well, yeah, but they're not going to sell it to me for 15. You know, if I could get it for 18, I'd be good with that, because then I could buy the interior and still come out with it. And then it needs tires. And that's another $3,000. So, you know, you heard me telling it.
I heard him.
I said it needs interior, needs tires, blah, blah. I looked it over, remember?
Yes. Well, we made a video about it. But you couldn't stand the smell of the cigarettes.
I had a headache for 2 hours after getting out. I was only in it for 5 minutes.
So that begs the question, how in the world would you feel comfortable getting
I told you. I looked it up, and I found that you can get kits.
I understand, but you still have...
Interior kits. Well, I would have to bear it, Ruthie, and get in there and just
rip it out. Just rip it out.
I've done it before.
I know you have. I know
My
you
Pete was that way when I brought